Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Joining us in the studio today is Nicholas Breedlove and Rodney Lewis, here to tell us all about the upcoming 100th anniversary of the Joplin Scottish Rite Cathedral. Guys, welcome to the show. We were just talking. I've had the opportunity to visit the cathedral a few times over the years. Absolutely beautiful facility. Does not show its age at all, and you've got a very special celebration coming up for it.
We do. It's our centennial anniversary of the cathedral. We're having a 2-day celebration starting tomorrow at 4 o'clock with a vintage clothing tour from the Joplin Historical Society. At 6 o'clock, we have a dinner theater featuring a degree from the Scottish Rite called The Trader. Dinner will be at 6. We'll go up to the auditorium after dinner and do the Trader episode. And then the next day we have a grand procession over from the Scottish Rite to Shiverdecker Mansion and back to the Scottish Rite, and then we'll adjourn to the auditorium and for a rededication ceremony of the building from the Grand Master of Missouri.
What's it like to be able to celebrate this milestone with this just absolutely beautiful historical building in town?
Well, to give you an idea, when the building was dedicated back in 1923, the celebration lasted all week. 12,000 people went through the Scottish Rite building. They fed 1,000 people during the banquet that they had at the end of the week. We're not going to break those records, but we want to get as many people there as we can.
And I know that over the years, the cathedral has held a number of events. There's been breakfasts out there, a number of things you all do for the community. So what exactly is it that you do for the community? How do you get out there and help folks?
Well, we've got certain charities that we have. We sponsor speech and language clinics for hearing impaired children. One of our favorite charities is Children's Haven across the street from our building. Various organizations rent the building for business meetings. High schools rent it for proms. It's just all sorts of activities happen there.
Mm-hmm. And then what's it like to be part of this very special celebration for the cathedral this year?
Mm-hmm. This is a really special time. 100 years in Joplin. On Saturday, we're also having the Kafar Marimba Band come in for entertainment. It's an opportunity for the community members to come in and enjoy themselves for the car show and celebrating our festivities.
A lot of great things going on. Real quick recap, when is this, where is this, what do folks need to know?
It begins at 4 o'clock Friday afternoon and goes till about 9 o'clock that evening at the Scottish Rite Cathedral at 15 Byers in Joplin. The next day starts at 9 o'clock with a grand procession and ends up at 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock with the Kafar Marimba Band on the car show and the car show in the north parking lot.
All right, guys, thanks so much for coming in this morning. And of course, if for any reason you miss any of that, we'll have it all on our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be back with more right after this.